Hi guys, you're welcome to today's class, still on statistics. Today we have a question here. It says find the mean of the table below. We have a frequency table. We have here scores represented as S, scores being the mean represented as S and the frequency represented as F. We have scores here to be 15, frequency of 4, 17, frequency of 6, 19, frequency of 5, 20, frequency of 8, and 29, frequency of 7. Now, how do you solve this? So, it baffles me sometimes, and like I always say, when some students see some questions, they're already skeptical, like they feel that, how can I attend to this? And sometimes it happens because they didn't learn well. But it's very simple. I always indulge you to really follow up so that you understand it. Now this is simple. Instead of us writing another table, just extend this table. We'll call this f of s, the multiplication of the scores, that being the mean and the frequencies. We have here 15 by 4, 15 by 4, that's the scores multiplied by the frequency. We have 60. We have 17 by 6, we have 102. We also have 19 by 5, we have 95. We also have 20 by 8, we have 160. And we have 29 by 7, we have 203. Now this is almost done. We have here, we sum the whole frequency, summation f, totality of the frequency. If we sum 4 plus 6 plus 5 plus 8 plus 7, we arrive at 30. Now, summation of the f of s, that's the frequency multiplied by the mean, totality of these numbers will arrive at 620. I believe you guys are following. Now, we also, the mean here will be equals to summation f of s, the totality of this, divided by summation f. Now, summation f of x is 620 divided by the frequency being 30. Therefore, mean presented at x will be equals to, if we divide this 620 by 30, you will have 20.67. As easy as that. You see how simple it is, even though it was looking complex. This is just the simplest way to solving this. Thanks for watching, and watch out for more problem solutions. Bye.